Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is So by me Juliana. For those of you visiting my channel for the first time today, please do subscribe and also turn on notification bell to know when I upload new video. So today I'll be making a quick tutorial for you guys, mostly the beginners. I do appreciate you all. Those of you that have subscribed, I appreciate you guys a lot. Thank you so much. And also the beginners, I'm doing all my tutorial just to encourage you guys that you can do the same. I remember when I started sewing, I really want to encourage you guys, you can do it. So today we'll be making this beautiful one side of shoulder dress. It's very simple, believe me. Very simple. You can get it done in less than 30 minutes. If you don't have any other thing doing and focus on it, you can do it. So we'll be making this beautiful dress. I will show you guys how I did this, how I achieved this look. So let's get started. Yes guys, I folded my fabric into 4 places. You see, I folded it into 4, and the length I'm working with today is 40 inches. The remaining 3 inches here, I'm going to use it for my sewing, to fold it at the end. And the width is the width I'm working with is 23 inches. So that's the measurement for the fabric. So after that, I'll place my bust line. The bust measurement is 10 inches, and the width, the bust measurement is 10 inches, and my waistline is 19 inches. Then the hip line is 28. These are the measurements I'm working with. So now we are going to place the actual measurement. The actual measurement is here, and the sleeve here, I'm going to use all this. I'm not going to cut anything. The sleeve is attached to the dress, so no need of creating another sleeve. So the sleeve here, I will use my bust line measurement, the one I've already taken, which is 10. I'll use it as my sleeve opening. So the next thing to do is to place the neck width. The neck width I'm working with is 4 inches. I'm going to mark it now. 4 inches. And the width as well is, the depth is also 4 inches. So 4 by 4. Bear that in mind. I'm going to draw it to this side. You can use your ruler to do this, and you connect it like so. You connect it like so. You see? Now we have our neck width and neck depth. Both the back and the front will be the same. I'm not going to make it different. I want to use the same neck measurement. So here, and my shoulder slope here, I'll draw this here. If you don't want this, you can open up here before folding your fabric. This is my shoulder line. Then I'll take the slope around. I'll just use one inch down the line. So I'll draw it, connect it like so. You can use ruler to do this. You can use your ruler at this stage, but I'm just doing it. So now we are going to place our waist measurement. The waist measurement we are working is with is 44. 44 divided by 4 is 11. And I'll add this 4 inches for ease. So here is my waist measurement. It's like I said, it's 11. When you divide 44, it's 11 here, and I added 4 inches more, that which is makes it 16. I'll mark my 16 here. Then the hip measurement we are working with is 46. Divided by 4 is 11.5. 11.5 plus, I'll mark my 11.5 here. Sorry, this is 11.5 here, and 1 2 3 4 5 6. I'll add 6 inches here for ease, because this is a free dress. You don't need to make it, you can even add, depending on how you want it to be, big or free you want it, you can add more. So I'm taking 16, so 11, I added another 5 inches. So now we are going to connect it. So the only thing to do, like I said before, this is a simple dress. We connect it from there to the sleeve, like so. This will be our sleeve, and you draw, you can use ruler, connect it like so. You see, it's a free dress. Sometimes some people, like, you can even leave this armhole and just cover a little bit here and leave it freely, but I just want it to be like this. So I'll cut it out now. So I'm going to cut it out. I'll come back to show you guys the next step. Yes, guys, I've cut out the dress and I've unfolded all the dress. Now this is the look. This is the whole idea. It's coming together. So now I want to show you guys the off shoulder, the main purpose of this tutorial, how to put your off shoulder, the one sleeve falling, the one sleeve off shoulder dress. That's the name of our tutorial. So in order to do that, you guys can see we took 4 inches depth and the width of the neck. But now one of the sleeve, I would like it to fall by my right side. So I'm going to take another 3 inches. If you want it, depending on how far you want your sleeve to fall on your shoulder, I'm taking 3 inches extra. If you like, you can make it 4 or 5 inches. Okay, let's see. Let me make it 3.5. So from there, and from there I'll just connect it from here, there to, I'll draw another line like so, how I drew the depth before, the 4 inches depth. Yes, put it here. Then I'll draw the line. I'll draw the line straight from here till here, and I'll curve it again. So I'm going to cut again. You see, I'm making another, it's like making another shoulder. You see, I've cut it out. Now I'm going to cut it out from that. Remember, depending on what you want, it depends on how far you want your one side of shoulder to be. You cut it till you join this. You see, we have it now. It will fall like this when we are done, and this one will hang on one of the shoulder. So I'm going to use this same fabric as my bias tape to sew down the neckline. I'm going to fold it. If you watch my previous video, you've seen how I folded the one I did last time. So I'm going to fold it the same way, fold the shape of the neckline. Just follow the pattern and insert my something just to sew it down to make it nice. Then I'll come back and show you guys the next step. Yes, guys, I finished pinning down the neckline. You see the front panel and the back panels. I've like I told you before, that I will use the same fabric. I don't have bias tape. I folded it and ironed it down. I've already pinned them down on the neckline. I'll use my sewing machine now and sew it down. I'll come back and show you guys. Also, I want to show you guys exactly what I'm doing. I'm going to use this again, this less trim, to I'll place it like so. You see how I already place it? I'll place it on the front panel. So I'll come back and show you guys when I'm done. Yes, guys, I've finished sewing the neck, both the back, front and back panel, and I've added the lace trim. Remember I mentioned I'll add this lace trim. I've sewn it down with my sewing machine, and also I use glue first to place it, and then I sew it down in order to secure it properly. Now I'm going to place the back panel. Yes, here we go. So I'll place it now. I'll use my pin to pin it down. I'll pin it down together, and I'll take it to my sewing machine. I'll sew it down from this end to this end, round to the sides. I'll come back to show you guys the final look. Yes, guys, this is the final look of our dress. Isn't it beautiful? I'm already rocking it. Hope you guys can make one for yourself. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for another video. Bye.